Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the batteries and unplugging any adapter so the controller is safe and powerless. Once done, lay it face down on a clean towel and remove the 5 security screws with a T5 or T6 driver. Make sure to keep screws separated by location. Next, use compressed air along the stick gates to dislodge loose debris. Then, gently pry the shell open from the seam. You will see the circuit board and joystick module exposed and ready for deeper work. Once the shell is open, identify the joystick potentiometers. They look like small round modules under the stick. You spray a little high-purity isopropyl into the seams of each pot and rotate the stick fully to work the solvent in. This dissolves grime, causing drift. Make sure to dab excess with a cotton swab and repeat 3 to 5 times per axis. At the same time, inspect the ribbon cables and connectors. If a cable is loose, reseat it firmly to ensure consistent contact and reduce. After cleaning and verifying connectors, reassemble the shell and tighten screws evenly so nothing flexes. Reinstall batteries and power the controller on. Next, perform a calibration or dead zone test in your console or game. This quantifies remaining drift and often cures minor offset. If you still see movement, replace the joystick module or order a compatible repair kit because worn pots are the usual culprit. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent drift occurs, recheck solder joints for cracks and ensure the ribbon is fully seated before pursuing a full replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.